Hey guys, Jack Delosa here, Cold Express. Last month I had the pleasure of participating in the Vinnies CEO Sleepout down at the South Melbourne Market. I honestly thought that we were going to sleep outside on the bottom, so when I got there, realised we were up top. It was a great event. The people that ran it were very good. I met some lovely people there and got to listen to some very inspiring stories. Tag along, hope you enjoy it, and click the link if you want to donate for next year. Cheers. Thanks, guys.
Alright, so that's the drip. Everyone's got huts, but I'm just going hutless. Just 2 sheets of cardboard and a sleeping bag. It's been very eye-opening and a good learning experience. So we shall see how that fucking goes. But anyway, this is it. Packed very, very, very light. So yeah, there's done a couple of speeches. It's been pretty cool setup. First time here, a lot of new people here. Lots of second timers, third comers. So that's good. But yeah, there's literally, as you can see, not what I thought though. I thought it would be on the outskirts of South Melbourne Market. Not undercover. Well, I guess it makes sense. Yeah, undercover, but I don't know. There's a lot of warmth around here. So it's been good. See how we go. I think we had a couple of talks from a few different volunteers. That was always good to hear. And then now we're getting some dinner. I'm not hungry yet, so I don't know. I should probably eat something. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. Just wrapped up the night. We're going to bed soon. Great speeches. Pretty moved, pretty inspired. I want to do a few things we can collaborate between CX and Vinnies. Potential transport collab. I think this is probably where we would be able to help the most. Hearing the stories is a big thing for me. Hearing one bloke who was homeless and now runs his own company. Zero to hero, so I like to say. So that was pretty good. Done a photo. I've had some to eat, and now I'll probably get some coffee and then lay down and probably go to sleep. I'm nervous I don't snore though, so we'll see how we go with that. But there we go. Lights are just going out. Just hit 5 a.m. Everyone's getting up now. Broken sleep. I was warm, but fuck. Yeah, rough. I was warm and sort of sheltered, so maybe I wasn't sheltered, how much worse it would have been. Good experience, so we'll get up, get some coffee and head home soon. Morning, back blinking lights. Well, everyone's awake now. So grab some coffee. Good experience sleeping out here for a night. Glad I got my fucking big jacket because came in handy. It's 5:20. Everyone's basically woken up now. Some people are getting food. They've got food at the back there, over there. Some people have already started to go. That is the thing, you can go. Well, that's the biggest thing that I don't know, just click with me now. Because they're all going home. But not everyone can. This is some people's home outside, so it's rough. And they need people like this organisation, people like general people to help, you know, make things happen. Just assistance, you know. Good experience. I highly recommend it. Come back next year. Get more people involved. Yeah.